Hey, it's Nina. Today we're going on a road trip to Devil's Lake. So basically we're gonna go hiking and sightseeing. Let's go. So right now we're at the Devil's Lake State Park Visitor Center. Hey guys, so we're finally at Devil's Lake State Park and everyone's picnicking. This is like a picnic area by the lake. The mountains will be right over there. Today is a little chilly. We're gonna eat first and then we're gonna go. देखो जी सारे खा रहे हैं पराठे with आलू गोभी,
मिर्च दा अचार,
अचार, अंब दा अचार, सारे ने मजे ले रहे हैं. We have paratha, aloo gobi, and achar. Alright, now I'm gonna try the aloo gobi, which is the potatoes and cauliflower with the homemade flatbread. It's really good. Amazing. Hi Princey, do you like your lunch? You enjoying it? That's good. Oh, that was so close. Oh! Oh! Yo, what is going on? Oh my god. So far, it's been pretty fun here. We're playing bags and we just ate lunch. The only bad thing is there's absolutely no reception here. So that's the only down point of being here. I guess it's a good thing to disconnect and just have fun.
Ooh! Okay.
No! Oh no! Oh, darn it.
Oh! Yeah!
Oh! Oh!
Oh! No, she. It did.
Yeah!
Hey!
No!
Nito's like, I'm done.
No! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
sir, वो hole देखना था.
It keeps going there. Are you trying to hit me? I don't know.
Don't look at the grass.
No! I'm so bad. Okay, so now it's different. Dad practicing. Let's go, Dad. Oh, that slid off. Princey's helping my dad. Oh, oh. Let's go. Jesse gets a point.
But in the meantime, I just do a bad. I'm gonna just re-record. It's not good.
It means your mom. It means your mom.
You need to watch them, okay?
I got a point. My first point.
And you just lost one. Yeah, you loud out of
Oh my god, it's so beautiful here. Look at this mountain and this beautiful lake. Wow, that is gorgeous. It's way warmer here by the water.
No, now I don't feel cold.
Yeah, it was freezing over there. Yo, Princey's having her own photo shoot over there. Yo, look at Princey's photo shoot. Smile, Princey. Princey, put your hand on your hip like this. Yeah, there you go. Work it, girl. Yo, little people are kayaking. Dang. West Bluff Trail. Yo, we gotta climb over all this. Holy, this is like real hiking over here. I was just saying, this is legit real hiking right here. Like you can fall in like 0.2 seconds.
We were gonna bring hiking sticks for that.
Oh my God, careful, Princey. Come on. Careful, careful. Whoa, look at that mountain right there. What? This is a trail. Look at the map, guys. We have to get to the top of this mountain.
Princey, be
Careful, 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 okay?
There's lava.
Yeah, watch your step. She said there's lava. The floor is lava. Yeah. Let's go, let's go. Yo, they're going the easy way? Yeah, Jesse, let's go the hard way. Oh my God. Hold up. Ooh. Oh my God, anyone could fall. Dad with the stick? Oh my God. Oh crap. Oh, I made it. Oh my God. We got a long way to go, guys. Okay guys, we are hiking officially up this mountain. Now, my past video was our first time hiking, but that was like a beginner's level of hiking. That was just like actual walk path. And here, it's like life and death. One wrong move, you could twist your ankle or fall. So you have to be extremely, extremely careful here. Princey ko piche rakho. Look at this cliff right here.
Hey, Princey, come here, hold my hand. Oh, it's not the same.
Oh, Saka. Rejected. Oh, I got rejected too.
Overhand.
Watch single file.
Single file line, guys, don't fall.
The rejector.
Pay attention. Yep. Look, we're at another cliff now.
Yeah, we're at another cliff.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah, I can't.
Oh my gosh. Ooh, yummy. Let's eat some mushrooms. They're taking a selfie over there on that cliff.
Always take a picture of selfie.
She made a selfie song. I'm currently sitting on a cliff. This is crazy. This is what I'm sitting. There's like a huge crack right over there. I'll show you. It's pretty scary. Look at that. If you look all the way down, it's crazy.
Yeah, Justin, you try.
All right, now I'm sitting on this cliff once again, and literally that's the edge. Like, people have fallen off of the cliff. I think probably more than once. People have died here, so when you come here, you have to be so careful. Look at it.
Oh, just you climb up there.
Dang, look, he's rock climbing. That's crazy and super dangerous. Oh my God. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Wow. Careful, guys. Oh my God, it's so steep. So now we're officially done hiking up the mountain and we're hiking down the mountain now. All right, now there's stairs all the way down.
When you ever go underneath this video, you always hit the thumb down.
Hey, Justin! You have to give it a thumbs up.
Thumbs down.
No.
And when it says subscribe, just leave.
No! Justin!
Don't touch
Pradanga hona tera.
it, they'll charge you $50.
No!
Dude, yesterday she was Firefly Power, today she's hiking girl.
Yeah, she's hiking girl today. Yo, look, we have to clean the bottom of our feet, brush them off so that we don't have invasive plants like garlic mustard on the bottom of our feet. Finally made it off of the mountain. We are at the bottom. Now you can see the mountain right there behind us. Wow, guys, the perfect location for a picnic. This is fantastic. He's standing on the picnic table.
You're gonna get ready.
But no lie, this would be a great location to have a picnic.
Renito, is that a cool?
Be careful. You should go this way and reviews.
We're trying to get back to the picnic area. Come on, keep going.
We're going to back to the picnic area.
Yeah, we are.
Because we just walked from the mountain. We're still hiking because we love hiking.
This is only my second time hiking. This is your first time hiking. Look, there's huge boulders everywhere. Looks so amazing. Yo, Sim!
Don't say that.
Hi!
Don't say that again.
That was my email.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick you up.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh!
Let's go!
She's gonna, guys! I'm gonna.
That should be the title of this video.
I'm gonna. Abandoned.
No, she said abandoned.
Princey! Oh no, she's gonna abandon you. Princey, what about me?
You are great. You are great.
Thank you, Princey. Oh my god.
2 seconds later,
You're fine.
It was great too.
Oh, thank you, Princey.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, look at that. They're climbing all the way up.
All the way to
That's
the
crazy. It's called Baraboo Quartzite. Oh, so close. He got 1 point though.
I can put that in.
Go.
Oh my god.
Now we are going home because it is windy and cold and my fingers are freezing. So I can't wait to get back in our car. Oh, let's get out of here. But next time for sure we gotta go kayaking because that's definitely one of the main activities that, you know, people do right here in this lake. So next time for sure. And summer is coming to an end, unfortunately. So hopefully next year we can come back and enjoy and have a picnic again. Bye! Thank you guys so much for watching my video. We had so much fun at Devil's Lake. I definitely rate this place a 10 out of 10. Definitely highly recommend going here. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And please share my video. Thank you so much. Bye!